Welcome to Peasholm Park. We're here in outskirts of Scarbrough. Voted one of Europe's favourite parks, it says. They've got all kinds of lakeside walk, trail, mini golf, boating, cafe and putting green. Let's go and have a wander around.
Good morning everyone.
And welcome to S&BDIARIES.
We are in Scarbrough.
We're visiting Peasholm Park.
We are in Scarbrough.
Which is a Japanese theme park. Absolutely beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Oh, good morning, Bear. We're going to head over Peasholm Bridge over to the island.
Welcome. Welcome.
It's over like a Monet style bridge.
Someone is doing walking on the road, cleaning. Let's go inside. Shall we do it? You do the paddling, I will sit down. Oh, dolphin.
Just heading along the island path down by the water's edge. Yeah, like a Chinese temple. Couple of old boats with some flowers in. Lake. There's a waterfall. Wonderful waterfall situated on the island in the middle of the Japanese garden here. Oh, beautiful. Beth's just doing her morning yoga. Wonderful bluebells here, very picturesque. Just halfway around the island and just showing you the outside there. Wonderful woodland glade here on the island. Covered in bluebells going up the steps. Well, we're now at the highest point of the island. Come up to the temple through the round stoned arch. Wonderful pagoda there. A little bit of tranquility. Wonderful bit of flowing water there. By the pagoda. pagoda. Just walking around the base of it at the highest point of the park. Here's the top of the waterfall that we showed you earlier. Okay, so we've just purchased our tickets. We're going to head on over the deck and get ourselves a little dragon boat.
Me.
Hey guys, we're out on the dragon pedo boat. My niece is already hurt and we've only been out 5 minutes. But there's the waterfall here on the right.
Yeah.
I'll just...
We got pink dragon.
I think it was red, it's just been
Or is it?
bleached in the sun.
I can't see it. Yeah, there's a temple that we've been there. We're going around this lake. Sure. Wow, it's only a minute. You're already tired. I believe that. Break Simon, have a Kit Kat. Nice. Where are you gonna marry me, Simon? Huh?
On the island!
I'm proposing you now.
In the
Will you marry me?
In the middle of
Will you
the...
marry me, Simon?
the middle of
Just
the lake.
proposing you.
What, for the third time?
Yeah. Yes or no? That's what I want to know.
Yes.
Yeah. All boats under the water.
Trying not to get caught in the shrubbery here.
Yeah. Alright. We're gonna ask you a question under the Yay.
Nearly there.
You tired now, Sai?
So having a little reward, bit of a nice lolly,
It's having a nice
and taking in the scenery.
Nice. But it's hot where you are.
Thanks for watching, guys, today. Our blog of Peasholm Park here up in Scarbrough, the Japanese Oriental Garden. Thanks for watching and bye for now.